In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can build a website using an AI tool within less than 5 minutes. So this tool is just going to ask you some basic questions about your business and about some of the location or stuff like that for your business. And the website will be ready within 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. You can save your job, you can save your work if you stay ahead of your time, if you keep learning new tools, if you keep learning this AI stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can build a website using this AI tool within less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. You'll be seeing a lot of AI related videos from now on. Without further ado, let's jump into the screen.
Welcome back to WebSense Pro. I'm your co-host Nadashik with another tutorial. In this video, I'll be discussing one of the free AI website builder tools that are revolutionizing the way people create websites. With this tool, anyone can create a website without any coding knowledge or experience. I'll be exploring the features and benefit of each platform, and I will show you how they can help you create a stunning website in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to like recruiters.com and log in with your account. Okay guys, so I've logged in with my account. What I need to do is I'll click create new and it will start asking me questions regarding my website. What category best suits your website purpose? Okay, it's offer services. Okay, here a theme that matches your professions based on web design. Okay, look good. Now, IT service company, yeah, click continue. My next question is personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. Okay, data backup and recovery, cloud computing. Oh, okay, more network infrastructure monitoring, sure, more server and application. Okay. Let's see what next question is. Now tell us what you want to do with your website. This will help us create tools and pages you need it. Okay, I want to get new customers and I want a blog. So what do you want your business to be called? Okay, I do have a name. It's WebSense Pro. Click continue. Okay, so the next question is select to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. We'll generate more customized content based on your selection. Okay, I give affordable prices, exceptional customer service, loyalty programs, no flexible or qualified. Okay, this is even better. How would you like your website visitors to contact you? Website form, email address, phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, you can add whatever you want. Right now, I just click continue. Okay, let's see what is generated. This is my first style which Focus AI has made for me. Okay, this looks good. Let's see the second style. Okay, so this is the second style. Really nice. Okay, let's see the third one. Okay, this is even better. Okay, I'll click create my website here. And what I can do is I can edit it the way I want. Okay, so you guys can see the coding, everything Recruit AI is doing on its own. And it's creating a wonderful website for us. Site has been created. Now, let's see how it looks. Okay, so each of the options is giving us editing options. So you guys can edit it the way you want. Okay, for example, I'll show you how you can edit. When I click this, I can add my image here and like this, my images. Okay, upload new media. Okay, so I added a logo here. Let's see my website, how it looks. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it's a really nice website design which Hokus have made for me. What you can do is you can edit it the way you want. Say everything is just perfect. Okay. It has got pages for you. If I want, I can write my own content here. I can change the image or change the style, and if I don't want a widget, I can delete it. See, it has created around 5 pages for me. This is my contact form. I can change the number, the email address, anything I want. So I hope you like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment below.